So a long time.
Yep.
When was the last time we had like a survival world? Like,
Can I tell you one of the biggest scams in history?
I'm back.
Okay.
Oh,
Can I tell you one of the biggest scams in history?
scams. Sure.
So, at the library, there's like this one thing. It's called Minecraft programming, and I went to it thinking it would teach me how to mod and things.
That's
But
what I saw too, but I was like, what?
then all that it was you spin a wheel, you build what it lands on, and then you see who built the best thing.
Oh, heck no. What the heck? I don't
Like,
even get
how
it.
is that programming?
Yeah, what I thought was when you said that, I was just, oh, must be like mobs or something. Or like maybe like trying to code in mods or
Yeah.
just like anything Minecraft related. Maybe coding in new mods or something. And all of that for that. Why are the pigs just moving around random?
I don't know.
I got over 10 stacks of pork chop. Oh no. No, no. Did you lose? Me? Yeah, you. Yeah. Oh no, I keep getting stuck. Oh, Ben is still high above the ground.
Yep.
Oh no. So now what?
I don't know. Michael, can you
Oh,
send a link to your
Hello? Why did you expand upwards?
what? No, it did.
I don't know.
I'm just moving around. I'm just exploring. And I was just killing the mobs. Oh, there are so many skeletons.
Wow.
I'm gonna kill them. Because I suck at PvP. And I can't break anything because swords can't break blocks.
This is my sir.
Oh no.
Sarcastic.
Guys, I'm underwater. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on! Why do I have hunger? Oh.
Hey guys, watch this.
Boom.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm on another one.
Okay, everyone come here.
Yeah, I'm here. Oh, the heck. Yeah, I'm getting pushed away.
Okay, so come over here without your sticks. No sticks.
Okay.
No pick.
Right
Either.
Where are you? Oh.
in here.
Okay. So guys, I'll need to line up with this block here, and then I'll show you something magical, I think. If I find the command of it in my database.
Right here? Or here?
Like just don't stand under me.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, this
It's gonna
one?
take a little while finding my code. Slash.
Alright.
So,
I'm gonna clean my inventory. I have too much stuff. Oh no. What the heck? Oh, that was perfect.
Hey, I can break block from super far away.
Oh, frick. What? Oh, free pork chop. There. Oh, there's still a spider.
look,
How many
found it.
dwarves?
Guys, look, I can summon falling blocks.
Yo,
Behind you. Sebastian, behind you.
I know. That was cool.
Look, I can make a falling torch. Guys, look.
Yeah.
Look at
What
me.
about a falling anvil? I'm just kidding.
Just pooped out a torch.
And then what's this? Guys,
Can you do other blocks or
make a
something?
grass block, right?
Yeah.
I can make a grass block fall.
Sure, I'm watching.
Okay, continue watching
I'm doing that.
until your eyes break.
Oh, wow. Oh, free pork chop again. Yay. Now that's cool. Can you do something else like help?
I could even do a command block. Watch.
Can you do this?
I could even do a command block.
Wow. A falling command block.
What?
I could do a command block.
Watching.
I just need to do something.
Oh, I saw it fall for like a
Okay,
second.
wait,